standard 8, exercise now 3.3, indices and cube root. This is lecture number 2, lesson 3rd. So in the video you will only see L3, that's all, and lecture 2. I will have a playlist of it and go through the playlist and you will get all the videos. So in that, the first one, 8,000. Find the cube root of. What is in the textbook? Accordingly, we will not do. See this, it has a very simple and lucid method. Solution, cube root of. By this method, anything you can solve, any root. Cube root of 8,000 is equal to, cube root means here it will come 3. And this 8,000 will come in the radical sign. This is called as the radical sign. Okay, this is called as the radicand. So that is equal to, what we have to do is, I will write here 8,000 and factorize it. By 2 I can divide 2, 2 4 the 8, 0, 0, 0. Then again by 2 I can, 2 to the 4, 0, 0, 0. Then by 2 I can, 2 1 the 0, 0, 0. Then by again 2, 2 5 the 10, 0, 0. So I will change the pen. Then again by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 remains 1. See here, 4 remains 1, isn't it? That remains 4. Here I have written. And then take this 0, 2 5s are 10 and 0. This way the division, if you can't do, write like this, 500 divided by 2, 2 to the 4 remains 1. Take this 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, 0, take this 0, division is of 0, 250. That way also you can do. 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 is over. Now 5. 5 to the 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. This everything you will write here. Cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, these 3 times I have written. Give a bigger multiplication sign so that you can understand this. Something. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे मी आता लेक्चर मध्ये दत्ताला विचारा.
बरं ठीक आहे.
So this way, these three group, the third group I am writing 2 into 2 into 2, this is the same. Now into another third group, 5 into 5 into 5. So if here it is 3, make the groups of 3. If here it is 4, make the groups of 4. That way the simple technique. Then take these 2 out, 2. Into take this 1 out of this, 2. Into take 1 out of this, 5. And that is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 5 are 20. Answer, cube root of 8,000 is 20. So simple. So some of the questions which are very important questions, those I am going to discuss. Now I will take another example of this. So I will take the fifth one or fourth. I will take fourth one. Minus 512. Minus 512. Here I will write cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus cube root of 512. This way I will write and go on doing the factorization. 512 This is divisible by 2. So 2 to the 4 remains 1. Take this 1. Then it is 2 5s are 10 remains 1. And this 2 6 are 12. Again by 2 I can divide. 2 1s are 2. 2 to the 4 remains 1. 6. 2 8 are 16. Again 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are. Then 2 3 are 2 are. 2 16 are. 2 8 are. 2 4 are. 2 2 are. And 2 1s are. Here we will stop. So this is equal to minus cube root of this I will write. These 3 I will take 2 into 2 into 2. Give the bigger multiplication sign. Now this 2 into 2 into 2. Give the bigger multiplication sign and then last 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to minus. Make the group of 3. Make the group of 3. Take 1 out. 2 into this one 2 into this one 2. That is equal to minus 2 to the 4 to the 8. Cube root of minus 5 and 2 is equal to 8. Hope that you have understood this. Here I will stop from question number 1. Remaining things you can do. Don't do according to the digest. This is a very simple way. Do this way. Only factorize, make the groups of 3 and then the solution is over. Now question number 2, simplify. Question 2, simplify. This is an important question. In every school, this question is asked at least one question. Number 1, cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 27. I will find these factors. 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So this is first of all this cube root and this is 3 into 3 into 3 over. Now 125 also I will do 125. This is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 5. 5 to the 10 remains 2. Then take 5. 5 5 are 25. Then 5 5 are 25. 5 1s are 5. And here it is 5 into 5 into 5. So this is the group of 3, take 1 out 3. This is the group of 3, take 1 out 5. So the simplification is, it is 3 upon 5. Hope that you have understood this. Don't go at all according to the digest method. This is the textbook method, you go according to this. Then third sum. If cube root of 7 to 9 is equal to 9, then cube root of 0.00079, that is equal to cube root of, this is 729 upon how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 10 1 2 3 4 5 6. This way you will write. That is equal to, this is cube root of 729 upon this, how many times? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many? 2 4, and this will be the sixth one. You have understood this upon I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have counted this number, and on 1 give to those many golas. How many golas? 6 golas, because this is 6. So this I will make the group of like this. So that is equal to, now of this is what? 9 upon this is 10 into this is 10, and that is equal to 9 upon 100. 9 upon 100, now I want to write it in the decimal. How many golas? 1, 2. So I will take 1 0 over here, and then the decimal, see where the decimal is. Here is the decimal. I want to shift these 2 decimal places to the left. So I will have to put 1 0 here, and then this way I will come. So that is equal to, here that point will come 0.09. Okay. चांगलं दिसावं म्हणून नाकात नथनी घालावी. 0.09. That is the answer. Understood this? This way you can solve it. So that's all in this video. Now I think this lesson is over. Remaining questions are for you, and you will do it. Okay? So hope that you have understood this. Another question I have to solve. There you will get confused. 16 upon 54. Its cube root. I will write here cube root of 16 upon 54. This question is also important for some of the students. So 16 is equal to 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 10, 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the. Now similarly 54 I will write 54, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 remains 1, take 4, so 2 7 the 14. Then now by 3, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9 and 3 1 the 3. So this is equal to, you will write like this. Here I am writing is equal to, this is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the group 4. Then this 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the group. This is the group. But this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. 2 1 the 2 1 the. So now see that the group of 3 is remaining. So 2 and this upon 3. So answer of this is 2 upon 3. Hope that you have understood. Here I am ending the video and concluding this lesson. So remaining sums you do at home. Do the practice very properly. I am taking a trouble for you. You take a trouble for me. Bye.